KingKar is a high-tech, elite manufacturing enterprise focusing on the research and development, production and export of auto service machines, including KingKar DPF Cleaning Machine, HHO Carbon Cleaner Machine. KingKar is an enterprise integrating scientific research, manufacturing, and sales promotion. It has 185 employees. The company has a factory production research and development department, sales department, and marketing department. The marketing department is mainly responsible for global marketing and promotion. KingKar factory covers an area of 100,000 square meters, and the annual production capacity is more than 4,000 sets of machines. In order to ensure our products, all of which have been independently developed and manufactured solely in-house, meet all operation requirements, we built our own manufacturing, assembly and testing workshops and production lines with surface mount technology, SMT. By strict inspection and testing of accessories from the first moment of entering the factory to assembly, including power-on test, appearance inspection, thermal abuse test, overpressure test, normal operation debugging as well as additional detection procedures, we ensure that all outgoing products are in ideal working condition and very high quality. Till now, KingKar registered brands HHO, KingKar in many countries, for example, USA, EU, Mexico, Australia, etc., and achieved more than 30 patents, including 1 patent for invention in USA, 6 patents for invention in China, and several patents for utility models. Besides, we got CE and RoHS certificates. KingKar is a professional manufacturer of car care equipment, with more than 19 years of export experience. The machines are sold to more than 62 countries, and are well received by customers. Welcome to join us.